what do you think of the treatment of American pilots? How do you think? How do you see that we were treated?
Và tôi nghĩ thế này, phi công Mỹ mặc dầu hai đồ thủ.
American pilots, although they are enemy, they still the human beings. They have their families, they have wife, they have their children. I need to behave good. I need to have the good treatment to the American pilot. I never think of beating American pilot. If I beat one American pilot, if the American pilot hurt one, their families, their wife, their children will hurt 10. So I never beat American pilot.
Never beat American pilots.